Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So let's quickly cover Harmony One. So basically Harmony One, has been up quite a bit since it was in this falling wedge, and you can see clearly how beautifully once it has been, come out of this falling resistance, the white line, you can clearly see this beautiful green candle that's taking place exactly like I told you right over here. I mean, momentum is picking up and everything, but if you look at the volume over here, volume is not there. So I would like to see a little bit of volume. But if you go to the previous history, because history sometimes can, tell you about the present and the future, you can see when we had a breakout over here, the volume wasn't as much as it was supposed to be for the breakout in the weekly time frame. But you can see as soon as we got above the 20 moving average, which is right over here, you can see the volume started picking up. Okay, so this is what maybe a lot of people or the whales are waiting on. So as soon as we cross the 55, because this 55 is going to come in as a resistance, because when we were right over here, you can see this was the support. Here we got the 100 moving average as a support. Okay, so as soon as we get over the 55 moving average, that's going to be another bullish indication that bulls have taken control, and then we just have to get over the 20 moving average. Now if you take a look at the monthly time frame, okay, we are still above the 20 moving average, which is actually pretty bullish, and you can clearly see that when we were here, look at this volume candle. It's not enough volume. It's exactly the same as this one actually. Okay. So, and we are above. So this is pretty much the same scenario in the largest time frame, which is the monthly time frame. So monthly time frame is looking absolutely bullish to me. Okay. And if we go to the daily time frame now, so the daily time frame, as you can see, it is clearly out of this wedge. Okay, and we are above the 20 moving average. Okay, so slowly what happens is we get above all the moving averages, and look at this clear indication, all the moving averages are below the price action. So this is a great sign in the 4 hourly time frame. So all the lower time frames right now are going to be, the moving averages are going to be below the price action. Okay, so slowly we are trying to get above the moving averages in larger time frames now. Daily time frame is one of the main ones, so if we can do it in the daily time frame, that will be an amazing uh, indicator that price is gonna have a movement just like that. Okay, because the reason I say that is we are moving in this channel formation like that. Okay, so now, depending on what Bitcoin does, if the all season is going to start, it all depends on every situation. Okay, but now let's see where Harmony One is going. Okay, if you take your Fibonacci and just measure this move, the reason I'm measuring that move is because you can clearly see high, low, high, low, high, and then this is the low. So you just measure the top and the lowest um, areas. Okay, and then the Fibonacci is going to fit perfectly fine for this measurement. Okay, now you can see clearly this Fibonacci sits pretty perfectly for Harmony One. Okay, here clearly support, support, support on the 0.382, 0.236, and then we never fell to the 0.618. You can see this support came into the rescue for the price. Okay, so this is actually a solid support for Harmony One. Okay, so now where is Harmony One heading to? It's trying to head to the 0.382 level at 0.17191. And the reason I say that is because if you go to the weekly time frame, you can see it a little bit better. Look. So what happened here? Okay, you have to concentrate to understand this area. So what happened here was Harmony One up, came down, held support at 0.382, then went up, and then it came down. So it created this double top formation, an M pattern, which is a bearish pattern, okay? And this was the neckline. Okay, so basically the 0.382 is the neckline for Harmony One's pattern over here. So this is going to be your one of the toughest resistance to break. And if you see 0.382 broken, you close a candle above it in the weekly time frame, you're actually you have to turn bullish, okay? Because this is where the downfall happened. And if you measure this M pattern, now if you just bring out, if you just take off the VIX, okay, let's just take off the VIX, and you can see, actually it doesn't make a difference, so just bring it back. If you bring the line graph, actually, no, and just measure this move, okay, let's measure this move from the top to the bottom and see as soon as it broke, this was your price target, and you can see this candle over here actually wicked a little bit to the support line, but this was the actual target. But a lot of buyers stepped in and bought it at this support line. So this should give you an indication that this is where the main resistance is, right over here. And the price target is 0.17366. So if we can keep this momentum up, Harmony One price is going to go all the way up and hit the 0.382 level, okay? And it is actually making a very beautiful pattern right now. You can see clearly in the daily time frame, it's doing something like this, okay? If it can go and hit this and even get rejected and come back and maybe find support at the 0.5 level and then go up, you can see it's making a very beautiful ascending triangle formation. So I mean, even if it hits, it doesn't cross, that's fine, okay? Because it will come back, find support at this support line and the 0.5. They're aligning perfectly together. And then eventually create this kind of pattern. This is what I'm expecting. It is also making this pattern over here. Look at this. If it comes down, this is going to be an inverse head and shoulder pattern, okay? So whenever the breakout happens, now if the market is bullish, if it stays bullish, this is the scenario, okay? Now anything can happen. This is crypto, so I mean, market can, depending on the panic in the market, if it eases up, then upside is coming, okay? If upside is there, then you can just take this measurement of this triangle, or okay, let's try, either you can take the measurement of this triangle or this inverse head and shoulder pattern. They're pretty much the same, okay? And just put it over here when the breakout happens, okay? I'm not saying it has happened. When the breakout happens above the 0.382 level, then this is going to be your target, 0.25. And you can see the 0.25 is going to align if you go to the weekly time frame. Look at it, somewhere around this high over here. Okay, so you can see how significant this area was. Okay, rejection, support, support, support. So that's why this is the price target. This is how it works, whenever you have these price targets, it always, if there's a bullish price target, it always goes up and tries to get to the next resistance level. Okay, so this is how this analysis, the charting works. Now if you bring this and put it maybe at the apex, okay, you can clearly see it's coming and falling directly at the little bit above, but you get the point at the 0.618 level, 0.618 Fibonacci level. And why is that? Because you can see clearly this is the golden ratio. If we fall, it's going to fall to this low. Look at this, it's going to fall to this low exactly, okay? And this is that's why I believe this is pretty much 99% accurate. So this is it for Harmonion One. So just watch out. If we are creating this momentum to the upside, this is the price target. Okay. If we are creating a momentum to the downside, if we break this support level, then obviously it's going to come and bounce off the 0.618 level. Okay. But at the moment, price is looking bullish. Okay, I'll repeat that. It is looking bullish, and momentum is towards the upside. But I like to give both the scenarios because some of my viewers, you know, um, I don't want them to feel that this is just a like a bulls only channel. So I'm just giving you both the scenarios. Okay, this gets broken downside at the moment. 80% is towards the upside. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you like this kind of content. If you do like my videos, your likes are telling me you want more content like this coming out for Harmony One, and when I see those likes, I tend to make more of these videos for you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel and have a good day. Bye bye.